my name is Ali Baba. My daughter is a volleyball star. Or is it badminton? Daughter! Ma'am! Ma'am! Hello, daughter. Ma'am, I won! Take off your knee pads.
I want to keep them under my bunny pad.
Take off your knee pads now.
You always tell me that.
Take off your knee pads.
Why did you take the medal too?
Take off your knee pads.
I got gold. Doesn't that mean anything to you?
Take off your knee pads or else you see this. Take off your knee pads.
Yeah, I'll do it.
I don't have to
Oh,
again.
my knees.
Shut up. Shut up. You ruined my hair. I go out for a weekend. I go out for a weekend. Good
No.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Get your friend. Hey, Charlotte.
My name is not Charlotte, it's Margaret. I'm trying to do That's why I did it. I am mad. I am pissed off. You want to know why?
Control your emotions.
I'm not allowed to wear my volleyball knee pads. Let me wear my volleyball knee pads.
Put them on then.
My makeup. It's smudged.
Daughter, I'm sick of your attitude. Get on your knee pads.
That's what you
Who do you think you are smudging my makeup like that you on the bed?
Spank that ass.
No, you're gonna get outside. Why are you doing my knee pads? You think that your knee pads are better than your face? I gonna kill you. I gonna kill you. Give me knee pads. Give me the knee pads, Dawn. I got it. It's a gay. Get off me.
All done.